Stop, don't spend that 1 penny coin, it could be worth far more than its face value. Subscribe to Coin Hunter and share this video with another coin collector before you check your pocket change. Today, we're looking at a 1 penny coin, its history, rare features, and what could make one valuable. Stay until the end, you might discover a tiny penny hiding a huge surprise. Let's get started.
This coin may look ordinary at first glance, but appearances can be deceiving. While many old coins are worth only their face value, a rare example with the right date, mint mark, exceptional preservation, and verified authenticity can become one of the most valuable coins ever offered at auction. If this coin truly matches a documented rare variety and has been professionally authenticated and graded, collectors could compete fiercely for the opportunity to own it. In outstanding condition, the finest known examples of certain legendary United States coins have reached auction prices of around $740,000. However, value always depends on expert verification, rarity, condition, historical significance, and current collector demand. Even tiny details, such as the mint mark, die variety, surface quality, and original luster, can dramatically affect the final selling price. Before assuming any coin is worth a fortune, it should always be examined by a reputable grading service and compared with verified auction records. A single authenticated rarity can transform an everyday-looking coin into an extraordinary collector's treasure.